Hi everyone. Usually, when people think of algebra, they think of a confusing mix of letters and numbers. But if you strip all that away, algebra is really just a language. It is a way for us to describe how things relate to each other using symbols instead of long sentences. Think of it like learning the rules of a new game. Once you know how the pieces move, everything starts to click. In this series, we're going to break down those rules so you can use them with confidence. Just like any language needs grammar to make sense, maths need specific rules to avoid confusion. Without those rules, two people could look at the same problem and get two totally different answers. Our goal for this series is to get comfortable with the basics, things like working with fractions, handling decimals, and organizing algebraic expressions. We want to get to a point where the math feels less like a mystery and more like a tool you actually know how to use. By the time we finish this topic, you will be able to handle several key tasks. We're going to practice. Number one, evaluating expressions, which just means plugging numbers into a formula to find the result. Number two, managing fractions and decimals, learning exactly where to round off so your work stays accurate. Number three, solving equations. We will look at how to rearrange a problem to find a missing value, whether it is just one variable or two. Lastly, handling inequalities, which helps to find a range of possible answers rather than just a single number. It might seem like a lot to cover, but we are just going to take it one piece at a time. Algebra is really just about balance and logic. Once you see the patterns, it becomes much more manageable. In our next video, we're going to start right at the beginning by looking at how to evaluate simple expressions. I'll see you there.